So for this video, we're going to be talking about special solutions of linear equations. So for this first one, I see that one option that we can get is infinitely many solutions, which you can just write IMS for short. And that happens when an equation that is true for all values. So for instance, if at the very end you get 3 is equal to 3. So that means all your variables cancel out and you end up with a true statement. And then we can also get no solution, or NS for short. And that happens when you get an equation that is not true for any values. So let's say you end up with 1 is equal to 5. Well, that's not true. So that would be a no solution. So let's go ahead and look at some examples of these. So looking at this first one, I see I have parentheses, so I need to do my distribution. 3 times 5x, I get 15x. 3 times 2, I get 6. I have a variable on both sides of the equation, so I need to subtract 15x from both sides. And I see that everything actually cancels out. So I get 6 is equal to, well, everything canceled out on this side, so I end up with a 0. Is 6 equal to 0? No, that's not true. So that means this is no solution. Okay, let's try another one. So this next one, again, I need to do my distribution, so I'm going to distribute that -2. -2 times 4y, I get -8y. -2 times 1, I get -2. I have a variable on both sides, so I need to add 8y. And again, all my variables cancel out, so all I'm left with is -2 is equal to -2. Well, that is a true statement. So that means this one is infinitely many solutions, or IMS for short. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to try that last one on your own. So for that last one, you should have gotten infinitely many solutions as well. When we get to the end, we end up with a true statement, -6 equals -6. You could also stop at this point because I see I have the same thing on both sides of the equation, but it's okay if you don't see that right off. Okay, that's it for this one. You can go ahead and move on to the next video.